Welcome to OBD Sync. In this episode, we're going through how to program a replacement power steering control module in a Chevrolet SS. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the power steering control module tile. This will then begin loading in the available options to suit this module. It does take a little bit of time for it to load in simply because it does require speaking a bit slower to this module as it's just a bit slower to respond. Once it's loaded in, we're going to head up over to the flashing tab. We're going to make sure we have a battery charger fitted, and once we do, we'll go ahead and click on the right button. This will then begin downloading the required calibration files to suit this module in this vehicle. Again, it can take a little bit of time for this flashing sequence to actually begin here, but once it starts, it's actually very quick for flashing. If it's a calibration only write, it takes only a few seconds. If it needs to also do the operating system, it takes roughly a minute to 2 minutes to complete. After it's done, we'll have a pop-up saying it's successful. We'll go ahead and click OK. We'll head up to the Learn functions and then we'll perform the VIN security link. This only takes a few seconds for it to complete, and after that we can then perform the power steering soft stops reset if needing to relearn that sensor. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.